Welcome back everyone to another Forza Horizon 6 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Forza Horizon 6 game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can directly start your game or go into the accessibility/settings option by pressing the appropriate key. Now that you have been taken into the settings page, go ahead and navigate into video first. Here you can choose to enable HDR if supported, and also choose the proper resolution for your display unit. Then you can choose your desired frame rate, which can be kept at 55 or 83 if you don't want to put much strain on your hardware. Then you have the VSync option, which should only be turned on if you notice screen tears within your game. Then underneath you have the anti-aliasing options, within which I would recommend only to turn on the TAA option. Keep the sharpness at 1.0 and then press the back button to save your changes. Once you have saved it, you can then go into graphics and performance. And here you have the start benchmark mode option. If you click on this, the game will test your hardware and automatically select the best presets for your game. You can try using the benchmark and then make a few minor corrections to achieve your desired quality. Otherwise, you can use the preset as well, and you can try using the Ultra preset at first to see how these settings feel. After choosing Ultra, just save your changes by pressing the start button, and then you can go back and play your game. If your game is not performing very good, then you can come back to this page and try using the lower preset, which is the high option. Then once again test your game and see how your settings feel. If you want to manually adjust, then I would recommend to decrease the reflection quality, the shadow quality, and also the environment texture quality options. You can also turn off the night shadow option and set a low quality for your shadows. At the right side within the description, you can also see which option affects your GPU or your CPU the most. So you can try reducing the preset wherever you see this yellow warning. With some hidden trial, you will be able to find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Forza Horizon 6 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.